inyong lahat. Mga minamahal namin mga magulang, kamag-anak at kaibigan ng mga magsisikot tapos. Ipinakikilala ang mga kandidato para sa pagtatapos ngayong taong pampaaralan 2024-2025. Bachelor of Elementary Education with concentration in General Education. Antonio Kailin K.N. Alvarado Divina Marcia M. Paco John Carlo E. ang CMI Honor Guards at ang watawag ng paaralan at ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Umanda para sa pagtatanghal ng watawat ng Pilipinas! Umanda para sa pagtatanghal ng watawat ng College of Mary Immaculate! Matakdagan! Pasulaw!
Sat kalahati din.
Tumayo po ang lahat para sa pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Mrs. Cecilia G. Santos Andres. To all our department heads, faculty members, and administrative staff, beloved parents, and the CMI graduating batch of 2025. It is an honor and privilege to bow to all of you today, my dear CMI graduates. Yumuyo po ako at nagbibigay galang sa inyong mga nagsipagtapos sapagkat hindi namin dapat tawaran ang tagumpay na maaaring marating ninyo. Palakpakan po natin ang mga nagsipagtapos. Through these 4 long years, we have seen how you have transformed to become young men and women who have so much love for life. Yes, para makapagtapos ang 326 na CMI graduates ngayon. Sa ngalan po ng College of Mary Immaculate, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat sa TES. Our guest speaker this morning has really exemplified the ideals of hard work, perseverance, professionalism, and integrity in all his years of service as an educator and public servant. His life and his career is a reflection of his strong desire to be of service to his country and his fellow men.
Ma'am Cecilia Andres, salamat po for inviting us here. Also to our President of the College of Mary Immaculate Tupandi Bulacan Incorporated, Dr. Pia Marie Andrescan. Maraming salamat po for having us. Of course, our non-teaching and teaching faculty and staff, esteemed guests, at mga magulang na nandito, mga proud parents, at pinaka-importante yung mga nag-graduate sa ngayon. So siguro palakpakan natin ang bawat isa. So it is truly an honor to stand before you today. Narinig ko yung aking introduction from Ma'am Pia. Bumabalik yung aking college life kasi nag-usap kami ni Ma'am Ceci, nag-usap kami about Ateneo. So we are all Ateneans. So pare-parehas kami ng puso para sa kabataan at sa pag-aaral, no? So I I believe that this school, as kumbaga sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina, from where God is, God looks upon this school with delight. Nakuha ko ba yun, Ma'am? Kaya I'm very happy to be part of the private educational system.